Alright. So, let me put you right here. What's up? What's up? Today, we're just opening something. You know? How's your guys' day, you know? Cool. That's fun. That's some fun stuff. Oh my god! Why is this cord so long? I did not expect the cord. Oh my god! Yo! I did not expect the cord to be this long, gang. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy. This is crazy. Yo. Oh, look at this. Oh, look how long this cord is, bro. This thing is so long. W's. Oh my god. I am going to be starting this stream too. Some Digimon Storytime Stranger. Yes. I will also be collabing with Xavier, King Brown 11. You know him by his terrible raps. You know. Oh, but are you ready to see the controller itself? I don't think you are. Holy moly. Look at this. Woo. Are you? Why is it so small? Probably because my hands is big. So here we go. Buttery smooth. Let's go. Because you already know I'll be playing Pokemon like that, yo. You already know I'll be playing Pokemon like that, you know? It is so smooth, bro. Oh my god, no sponsorship, but yo. Oh my god. This thing feels so good. Shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. We got the instructions. Dog, it's a W. We ain't get no brick though. That's kind of sad. But it is okay. Anyways, that's all I got for y'all today. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys later.